Hello traders. Today we're examining the Jurik Trend Strength Indicator for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and I'll show you how this smooth trend strength measurement tool works on your charts. At this point, I'll go ahead and load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, there we have it. As you can see on the chart, the Jurik Trend Strength Indicator typically displays in a separate window as a smooth oscillating line. It measures the strength of the current trend using Jurik smoothing techniques, which are known for reducing lag and noise compared to traditional moving averages. Higher readings suggest stronger trend conditions, while lower readings indicate weaker or absent trends. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. The settings generally include the Jurik smoothing length, phase parameter, and power factor, which together control the smoothness and responsiveness of the outputs. You may also find options for threshold levels that define strong versus weak trend zones, along with color and display preferences. As for who is for, the indicator is designed for trend-following traders on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 who want a smoother and less lagging assessment of trend strength. It is a visual analytical tool only and does not execute trades. Even smooth indicators can be lit to signal trend changes, and strong readings do not guarantee trend continuation. Always confirm with other analysis. That's going to wrap up today's video. If you'd like to download this indicator or learn more about it, I've left a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future contents. I'll see you in the next one.